How to speed up playback preview in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. To play the video, just press the L key on your keyboard. To speed up the playback, press L multiple times. Press the K key to stop playback. Press the J key to reverse the playback. Press the J key multiple times to speed up reverse playback. To go forward or backward one frame, hold down the K key and press the L or J keys. To play back in slow motion, hold down the K key and then hold down the L key. To play back in reverse in slow motion, hold down the K key and then hold down the J key. Press Ctrl+F to full screen preview window. All the J, K, and L commands and their combinations are true here as well. Click on this button to see the source viewer, and double-click on a clip to open it in the source viewer. All the J, K, and L commands and their combinations work in the source viewer as well. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.